1, 2, 3, come on!
Hi friends, you are watching Bandha User Talks. I am Bandha here. Today I came with a new video. In this video I and my sister is gonna tell about journey of the Indian flag. Please enjoy.
Before going to the topic, please like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, share and comment.
Every country has different flags. Every country flag are not same. They have their own designs. Flag is our country's pride. Now let us see the journey of the Indian flag. Sister Nivedita's flag. The first ever Indian flag, commonly called the Calcutta flag, looked different from what it looks like today. It was designed by Sister Nivedita. This flag had only two colors, red and yellow. The red color represented the freedom struggle and the yellow color the victory. Vande Mataram was written in the Bengali, and it also had a weapon called Vajra and a white lotus at the center. It was also known as Sister Nivedita's flag for some time. Flag hoisted at the Parsi Bagan Square. This flag was hoisted in Calcutta first. This flag had three equal horizontal stripes or bands of blue, yellow and red color. The blue band has 8 stars. Vande Mataram was written in Devanagari script in the middle yellow band. The lower red band had the sun and star with a crescent at each end. It was first hoisted on August 7, 1906. Saptarishi flag. The Saptarishi flag was designed by Madame Kama. The flag was first hoisted in Paris. Its topmost stripe was of saffron color, having one lotus flower and 7 stars showing the Saptarishi. This was hoisted in Stuttgart at the International Socialist Congress held on August 22, 1907. Flag by Annie Besant and Lokmanya Tilak. The third flag is associated with the names of Dr. Annie Besant and Lokmanya Tilak. It was hoisted at the Congress session in Calcutta during the Home Rule movement. It had 5 red and 4 green horizontal stripes arranged alternatively. 7 stars were arranged in Saptarishi configuration. Union Jack was on the left hand top corner, and it had white crescent and moon on the top right corner. 1921 flag by Venkaya. In 1921, a flag was designed by Pingal Venkaya from Andhra Pradesh that had red, green horizontal stripes representing Hindu and Muslim communities. This was modified by Gandhiji by adding a white stripe at the top and charkha at the center. White symbolized all other communities in India, and the charkha denotes progress. Flag by Indian National Congress. In 1931, a 7-member flag committee designed a flag which had single color saffron with reddish brown charkha at the extreme top left corner of the flag. This was not approved by the Congress committee. The Indian National Congress officially adopted a flag on August 6, 1931 and hoisted it on August 31, 1931. This day was regarded as the Flag Day. It consisted of the same 3 colors like the current national flag, but it had the charkha at the center. Present day national flag. Our national flag was born on July 22, 1947 and hoisted at the Council House on August 15, 1947. As everyone knows, the flag has 3 horizontal stripes of saffron, white and green color with a blue Ashoka Chakra at the center. The Ashoka Chakra, which is popularly known as Wheel of Law, belongs to the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka of the 3rd century BC. Charka was replaced by Chakra to differentiate it from the flag of the Indian National Congress. The Indian national flag represents the hope and aspirations of the people of India. It is a symbol of our national pride. It is the responsibility of every citizen of India to keep the tricolor flag flying in its full glory. We have to respect our national flag.